Hey there y'all. Today I wanted to provide a video on the 2018 Buick Encore Preferred rental that I've been driving for the past week. I know this isn't the Volkswagen Golf Alltrack update that y'all were expecting, and it honestly was not the Golf Alltrack I was wanting either, unfortunately. I even had a 2-year 60,000 mile update video made and everything seemed okay. I never uploaded it, but a couple weeks later, everything just went south. So let's go ahead and get started. This stain here in the driveway is a hint of something that did happen to the Alltrack. So this Encore is a 2018. This facelift happened in 2016, and the Encore basically just continued until the end of production looking just like this. There's a base trim called the 1SV, and the Preferred is basically the base trim with a cargo cover. It's used with a lot of Buick GMC dealer courtesy fleets and of course rentals like the one I have. Of course you can option one up to higher trim levels like the Premium, Preferred 2, all that with heated seats, parking sensors, but this one is pretty basic. However, getting inside, a nice feature that a lot of GM cars have is the proximity entry on all 4 doors. But unlike Volkswagen, Toyota, and other makes, this is a system like Nissan's where you push the button to unlock the doors, and then you push the button again to lock the doors. There we go. So you have similar design language inside to other GM products in the mid-2010s. This is a Korean car, but it still carries over that same design language. But of course, push start. 36,106 miles on this one. I've put around 550 miles on it since I got it on Monday evening. So the reason I have this vehicle now is because the Alltrack needs a new turbo and needs a new headliner again. Very disappointing for only 61,500 miles, but at least it's going to be free. But I have to get my own rental because the dealership won't cover gig driving on their insurance. So I have a promo where I can get a really good deal on a rental. And I didn't get a new rental like the Elantra I filmed back in January, but I did get a much cleaner car in return. Of course, you got CarPlay, so your blank switches for heated seats and I believe parking sensors, the 8-inch screen, and the hand parking brake. The button's sometimes kind of hard to push. Backup camera's okay. It's better than some others, but definitely not as good as something like the Alltrack. You do have this little center console, which is just a rubber pad that slides open and closed. You just push down and it's got okay space for like a face mask and hand sanitizer and sunglasses, but not really good for much else, unfortunately. Of course, you can adjust your menus through this turn signal stalk right here, which is a very quirky feature about this car. Of course, turn signals, wipers and headlights are there. Cruise control, which I haven't needed to use. And your Siri activation when your phone doesn't want to work, source between radio stations, and your volume buttons. I do like that the volume buttons are on the front of the steering wheel versus the back like other GM products. Got all right space back here. I have the seat scooted all the way back and I had a lot of space up front, but I can scoot the seat up a bit and have a little more space and still be okay back here. The cup holders in here are very nice. They've got the rubber edges on them so they can hold bottles better. Not a lot of cars have that for the rear cup holders. Another minor feature I do find interesting is the dealer sticker. There's been theories that rental companies are buying their cars from dealerships, and this proves it true. Florida plate, Pennsylvania dealer sticker, and rented here in Georgia. So all over the map on this one. Cargo space isn't the biggest. My cover fell over, but it can fit one of my big catering bags back here just fine. Of course, you got your capless fuel filler, which is really nice. It's on the passenger side too, which is a nice little touch too. I know a lot of American cars have their fillers on the driver's side. Just another look at the back seat. You've got your net pockets on the back too. These seats are very comfortable. They've got cloth in the middle, so it feels like cloth. You don't have the summer heat, but you have the nice touch of leather on the side. A nice sized glove box. This car's been very fuel efficient. I'm getting around 30 miles per gallon. That 27 I showed y'all, I don't know what caused that, but usually getting around 30 with this. So very good fuel efficiency. Small size, no parking sensors, blind spot monitor, or any of that. That was a bit to get used to, but manageable size, good proportions, great rental car and great vehicle for older drivers with easy access, good passenger space, and nice little touches like automatic windows and the 8-inch screen. So I appreciate y'all watching this video. I don't know how much longer I'll have the Encore. I have it through at least tomorrow, and I'm hoping to get something new, but I'll hopefully provide an Alltrack update when it comes home. So thanks y'all for watching, and have a great day.